So here we are on the build of a 2-bedroom log cabin. The interesting concept behind this is we built this on a pier system. So if you look around the building, there's piers every 2 meters in a grid formation, on top of which we have put, you can just about see that, we've put treated timber decking base effectively, doubled up on all the walls, on top of, under which we've had obviously our DPC, which will be stapled up to that level, and so the client's going to be able to barter up his soil to stop anything getting in underneath there. We'll move on to the building itself. We can see that what we've done is we've put battens at every 600, well 150 by 50s at every 600 through the building. Benefit of that is makes it a very stable sub base, and we've put obviously some 100mm of insulation between, and tight, and very tight, which is important, between all the floor joists. So that's made up our decking base. On top of our decking base we come along with a floor plate for the building, which is this element here. This is a floor plate. This will be covering the whole building where all the cross walls are in the building, and then we build up our logs, and as you can see we've set out some of the logs and the guys are struggling not to fall over, and then it's log by log by log. This is an interesting log, interesting building in fact, because it's a laminated 80mm log. Effectively it's 2 pieces of wood glued together to form a 100mm piece of wood, and then we machine the profile of the log, then machine it down to 80mm, in other words taking 10mm off each side to create the log profile. This is where a doorway is going to be. These are log walls here. That's some of the insulation for the roof and the walls as we do our secondary skin. And if we pan around here we can see a lot of the packages to make up this building. This is in fact a 12.3 meter by 7 meter building comprising an ensuite bathroom, 2 bedrooms, large open plan living space with French doors that are going to go, well, once all our rubble's gone we'll outlook onto the grasslands beyond. Front door going in there, and this is our logs been built up around the sides of the building. And here are the guys working away. These guys in their spare time do triathlons, so I don't know where they get the energy from, to be fair. They're going to shift probably 8 tons of wood today to build this building through the whole way through. Quite incredible really. We'll sign off and we'll come back to the building when we're a bit further up and you can see a bit more of how we're developing.